Happy birthday, Mark!
Hope it's good year.
Birthday poke. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mark.
Hey, Mark! It's your birthday, dude! And what's a birthday without one more crappy, you've heard it a million times, happy birthday song? So, without any further ado, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you. Love you, man. Happy birthday.
Hey, Mark, want to wish you a happy birthday and let you know that you are an awesome casino buddy. And I enjoy hanging around with you on our trips, so hopefully you can make the next one. Again, happy birthday. Hope you have a good one.
Wishing the happiest of birthdays to my fellow closeted chatterbox and RBF buddy. Thanks all you do, Mark. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Mark. You're amazing, and we appreciate all that you do. And I still have the little hose nozzle that you gave me last year at Tunings, and it's one of the best things that I've ever gotten. Thanks. Have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mark. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday! Oh, I have to sing. It's happy birthday! I think that's it. It's very sad. Happy birthday, Mike. It's so good with confidence.
Happy birthday, Mark.
Happy birthday, Mark! We love you.
Have a good day!
We hope you have a great day. Happy birthday. You deserve it.
Hey, Mark. Happy birthday-versary.
Hey Mark, it's Neil and Rudy, and we're wishing you a happy birthday. And thank you for taking care of our pool since I don't know, 1911. Have a good day. Bye.
Hey Mark, happy birthday. Greetings and happy birthday from the Mazenga family. Thank you for always helping keep our pool look so amazing, and hope you have a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, Mark. I hope, is that a dog? Go away, 6 feet. Happy birthday, Mark. I hope you spend it appropriately far away from humans. Not because it's safer for you that way, but because I know that would make your birthday extra better, extra special. All right.
Hey Mark, it's Galena. Greetings from Palm Beach Shores, Florida. I'm on Singer Island by the biggest saltwater pool I know and I've seen, and it's called the Atlantic Ocean. And I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. So hopefully you spend the day exactly the way you want to, and not running around and helping everybody else fix their problems, unless that's what you want to do. So anyway, have a wonderful birthday, and I'll talk to you again soon.
Happy birthday, Mark. Today's your day. Not like celebrating today only celebrates you, but this is an additional extra way of celebrating you. Anyway, I don't tell you enough that I appreciate you, appreciate what you do. I appreciate who you've become as a human being. You amaze me and surprise me all the time, and I hope that you have the most marvelous day and continue to be a growing and a changing and evolving and amazing man that you are. So have a happy birthday.
Hey Mark, happy birthday. I hope that you know by now how much we all love you, appreciate you, and are super happy to have you as a part of our team. So from all of us, including Atlas, Emmy, and Bob, but he's busy, to you, happy birthday, and we appreciate you.